The easiest way to set up a Bitcoin Zero Masternode, Mac version. It couldn't be easier to set up a Bitcoin Zero Masternode, and in this video guide I will show you all the simple steps you can follow to have your Bitcoin Zero Masternode up and running in no time at all. What will you need? You will need to download the latest version of the Bitcoin Zero wallet. You will need exactly 15,000 Bitcoin Zero coins as collateral. You will need to register for a VPS hosting service for your Masternode. You will need to download and install PuTTY. And you will need to download the updated SH script from the links provided. Don't worry, I will walk you through the whole process and you will have your Masternode running in no time. Step 1. Install the latest version of the Bitcoin Zero wallet. If you are new to Bitcoin Zero and do not have a desktop wallet installed yet, all you need to do is download the latest version of the Bitcoin Zero wallet from the links provided. Once you have downloaded the file, unzip it and run the executable. You may need to edit your security settings to be able to open the file selected. You then need to confirm your install location and click the OK button to continue. Your wallet will open and start to sync with the network. Step 2. Create a new address and send exactly 15,000 Bitcoin Zero coins to it. A Bitcoin Zero Masternode requires exactly 15,000 Bitcoin Zero coins to be held in an address in your wallet. With your wallet open, click on the Help tab and select the debug window. Next, enter the command get account address, then a space, and add a name for your new address, such as MN1. Then hit enter. Copy your new address and paste it into a text file for backup in case you lose it. Now, go back to your wallet and click on the Send tab and paste in your new address, and then send exactly 15,000 Bitcoin Zero to this address, which can be sent from an exchange or another wallet, or inside your own wallet. Once you have sent exactly 15,000 Bitcoin Zero coins to this address, you will need to wait for at least 15 confirmations before your new address is eligible to be associated with your new Masternode. This may take 20 minutes, so let's move on to the next step and come back to the wallet later. Step 3. Register for a VPS hosting service for your Masternode and set up a server. To run your Masternode, you will need a dedicated server which you can effectively rent from a number of VPS service providers. For example, I'm going to use Volta, which costs less than $10 a month. First, register at volta.com, and once you have, log in and you'll be presented with this page. On the left hand side, you'll want to make sure you have selected server, and then use your mouse to click on the blue icon to create a new server. To start with, select any server location you like, such as Tokyo. Then, for the server type, select Ubuntu 16.04. Then, for the server size, you will need at least one CPU and 2048 megabytes of memory and 2000 gigabytes of bandwidth, so we will select the $10 option. Next, scroll down to the bottom and enter a server host name, which can be anything, but I suggest you name it in a similar way to your new receive address in your wallet. You can now go ahead and click on Deploy Now button. Allow your server to install, and once complete, click on the Manage link to reveal your server IP address, username, and password. With a notepad open, copy these details down to use later. That's it, your server is set up. Step 4. Download the SH script to run on your new VPS and start your Masternode. Instead of having to type out every single command to set up your server ready for running a Masternode, Bitcoin Zero have taken away this hassle by creating a simple script that can do it all for you. Download the script from the link below. Once the script has downloaded, open the file in a text editor ready to copy later. Next, open a terminal on your Mac by clicking on Go, followed by Utilities, then click on Terminal. Then type SSH space root @ followed by your IP address of your VPS you saved earlier. Then you will need to copy and paste in your password. Once logged in, you will then need to copy all the content in the SSH file and paste it into your terminal, and it will automatically start running all the commands. Wait for this to complete, which can take 20 minutes. Then, when it has, you should see a command line starting with myn. Copy this line of code and paste it into your text editor. Now, open your wallet, allow it to sync again, and then click on the Help tab, then the Debug Console tab. In here, we're going to enter the command line bznode space outputs. Copy the transaction output ID and the index ID to your text editor file. Replacing the transaction out ID and the transaction index. Next, locate your bznode config file and copy and paste this new line to the bottom of the file. Then, once you are happy, close your bznode config file and save it. Now, restart your desktop wallet and let it sync again. Once your wallet is fully synced, click on the bznode tab and then the My bznodes tab. Select your Masternode and click Start Alias. It will first show as pre-enabled and may take up to 20 minutes to change its status to enabled. Once it shows as enabled, you should start to see Masternode rewards come in within a few hours. Thanks for watching.